Right, now we've taken the data from our table and we've plotted it on our graph. It's usually at this point where you spot anomalies. It's difficult to actually see anomalous data just in a list of numbers, but once you plot it on a graph like this, you can see that all of the data appears to be roughly on a straight line. However, there's one here that seems quite a long way out. How do you deal with this anomaly? I would suggest there are three approaches that you should take. The first thing that you should do is check the data from your table. Have you really plotted that data point in the right place according to the data from the table? I would say 90% of the time when I see anomalies, the reason for those anomalies is not because the data is wrong, but because the data has been plotted in the wrong place. So first of all, check that, rub it out if it's in the wrong place, and plot it in the correct position. If that hasn't sorted it out, then the next thing I would check is check your calculation of the mean value. Often you will find that some people will put in the numbers in the wrong order or press the buttons on their calculator in the wrong order and end up with an incorrect mean value. If that doesn't sort it out, then the next thing to do is to actually look at the data and say, okay, perhaps I should retake that data that doesn't look too good because it should generally fit a line of best fit. If for some reason you can't do that, possibly you've run out of time or the apparatus has been put away, the safest thing to do is to indicate on the graph that that is an anomaly. Usually just by putting a circle around it is sufficient, but if you wanted to, you could actually put an abbreviation to indicate that that is an anomaly. That means that when you now come on to draw a line of best fit, you're ignoring that anomalous data.